Alright, here we go. And in 3, 2. Hello everybody and welcome back to another project. This project won't be quite as advanced, complex, exciting, all those words, as my previous tutorials and slash projects, but they do use some pretty important components. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So first, create a new project, Windows Form app, and we're going to name it what did I name mine? Yeah, okay. Space Pictures. Save it where you like and click OK. So now we're here. Make sure the form is clicked. Rename it to FRM space, and then the text to space pictures. Pictures. Okay. That's just there. So resize this quick. When I was doing my test project, I put in the background image first, but it seemed to kind of lag a little bit. It wasn't huge, especially with this computer that I'm on right now. But if you don't have that powerful of a computer, it probably will lag. So we'll save that for last. So what we're going to do is we're not going to add a label or a button, but a radio button. So let's throw it kind of over there, one right there, and one kind of right there. So select the middle one first and shift select the other two. Go format, vertical spacing, make equal. And so that just makes it look a little prettier. And we're going to rename these Rad Moon, and then change the text to Moon. Change this text to Mars, and then name to Rad Mars, and then this radio button to Rad Sun, and the text to Sun. Alright, you can pre-check one of these by selecting it and going to checked right here and clicking true, and you can see it's checked in. But we don't need to do that. So next we want to add in some picture boxes. So picture box, we'll just line it up there. Yeah. And then another one. We want to line this up. There we go. And then one more down here. And bring this up. There we go. So now select these and just make them a little taller so that the images fit a little better. We can always tweak that later. Right, so select these three, and we're actually going to change the text to white. Well, not right now, never mind. So once we add in our picture, we're going to have to change it to a white. But do whatever text you want. I'm going to do bold, 12. There we go. And so make sure these are all lined up. Okay. So next we get to add pictures. So first, name these picture boxes. Pick Moon. Pick Mars. And pick Sun. Can't see my keyboard right So then we're going to come down to image right here and hit the little dot dot dot, and this comes up, and you're like, what do I do? Okay, no, cancel, no, what do I do? I hit import, and then for the moon picture, I think it was, okay, this is the background image right here, Mars, moon, sun. You can go wherever you save the pictures. The pictures link will be in the description. You just right click and then save image as, and then choose where you want to save it. I did use non-copyrighted images in case you were wondering, but let's do moon. Just double click on that, and it'll look kind of weird, but just click OK. And then when you put it in, you're like, well, it's all black. That's kind of dumb. No, who would want an all black picture? And you're like, well, there's a moon in it. Like, it's not black. Like, what? Is it like the wrong file type or what? It's actually cropping the picture. The picture is actually massive here. But it's only getting this little corner. So what you do is you scroll down to size mode instead of normal, stretch image. It'll come up like that. So now for this one, we want to do stretch image, and this one stretch image also. And then for this image, we want it to be Mars, so import Mars. Okay. And for this one, we want it to be, you can also do, like moon or something, and then come up as moon, so you don't have to re-import it, but we want it to be the sun, so sun, okay, and there we go. So now, might as well write the code. So double click on first radio button, and we want to do pick moon dot visible equals true. Pick Mars dot visible equals false. Pick sun dot visible equals false. And I'm not doing just pick moon dot visible equals true and then that's it, because then if, let's say, they click Mars and then moon, the picture of Mars will still be there along with the picture of the moon. You're like, what? It doesn't look right. So yeah. Anyways, so highlight that, copy it by Control C or right clicking and copy, and then go to the next button and Control V to paste. And we don't want this to be true, we want this to be false, and we want this one to be true. And then go here for sun, same thing, paste. We want the sun to be true and the moon to be false. So pretty much all done. All you need to do is double click on the form, so when it loads, it knows what to do. Paste, and we want this to be false. Save it. Probably should have done that before. So right, if we start it, it might take a little bit because it has to load all the images and everything. So yeah, it might take a little bit. Now, you might say, well, where did all my images go? Well, they're still here, they're just hidden. Or not visible. So if you click this button, hey, look, it's the moon. Mars, Mars, sun, sun. Now you can go back and forth. And it's, really nice. So you're probably wondering, well, this, plain control white background isn't that great, right? And you're right. It sucks. It's stupid. So background image, instead of none, we want to hit the little ellipsis, import, and earth picture. And it has to reload. If it doesn't look like that, right under the image has like different things you can choose. It should say tile, I think is default. So you just want to hit stretch, and there you go. Now it looks normal. But one thing, these white backgrounds, like what? It's, no one wants a white background. It just makes it look dumb. So, and you're right. So we have to go to back color and hit the little down arrow, web, and way at the top will be transparent. And so now you can't read any of the text. So you go now to forecolor. Instead of black, we want white. There you go. We could move it down if you want, but you don't have to. You can also put like how many miles it is from Earth to like the sun, put a label in here and just toggle the true false or the visible true false. You can do a lot with this program. I just did it so that you know how to use PictureBoxes and RadioButtons. You can also do an OK button up here, and then an if statement. If radMoon.checked equals true, then show the moon picture. I could probably quick put that in. So yeah, so see how it's kind of laggy here? That's why I put the picture in last. So for this button, button OK. I'll just leave the text just because I'm too lazy to do it. So you would do if rad moon dot checked equals true, then just paste that. Else if rad sun, or no, probably rad Mars, oops, hitting the wrong thing, dot checked equals true, then that, and just pretty much do all of this right here, this stuff. I'm just do this, but an if statement. But the thing about that is, they'll check it, they'll like click the radio button, and then they have to hit like OK for it to go. And so I don't like that. I like, streamlining everything. Let's just delete this quick. And yeah, so Control-Shift-S to save. And if we start our program, moon, Mars, sun, Mars, moon, sun, moon, Mars. You can do this all day if you want. Yeah, that is going to be it for this tutorial. I know it's kind of boring, but it brings up some important concepts. So, that was it for this episode. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next project.